The third cluster refers to the ethics of AI, and we found a total of 15 publications. These papers investigate the ethics of AI in marketing and consumer behaviors from different theoretical lenses. Choice heuristics and biases, paradoxes of technology, anthropomorphism theories, and moral mediation theory of technology. The papers are conceptual, highlighting the emerging research topic and the need to develop a theoretical framework to drive research in the field of ethics. Research in this cluster mainly focuses on issues related to consumer decision-making, privacy concerns with big data, and trust in AI technology. In this regard, the technological and economic benefits of artificial intelligence are counterbalanced by legal, social, and ethical issues. In particular, AI ethics discourse is divided into three potential ethical issues: the application of machine learning, in particular the transparencies of algorithms, the risks of algorithm biases and discriminations, as well as data security and privacy concerns. The second topic and important issue is about social and political questions arising in a digital enabled society, such as human replacement, as we have just seen, power asymmetries, distribution of benefits, and warfare. And finally, a third topic arises around metaphysical questions about the nature of reality and humanity, such as the emergence of cyborgs and transhumans. Let's have a look to the first topic, ethical issues of AI at the product level. At the product level, due to the increased capacity of the machines to elaborate data, biased information processing might generate unfairness and unethical behaviors. On the one hand, machines tend to be considered more objective and less prone to biases than human beings. On the other hand, there has been evidence of AI biases which directly affect the quality of AI-enabled products and user satisfaction. The ethical design of the machine, that refers to the integration of ethical principles in AI-enabled products in order to ensure a proper alignment of ethical values between the product and the use, plays an important role. The ethical design is critical to develop consumer trust and thus loyalty. The necessity of defining ethical guidelines of AI products has been highlighted by a lot of research in different contexts, and above all in the context of autonomous vehicles, smart homes, and chatbots. The second topic in this cluster is about ethical issues of AI at the consumer level. At the consumer level, privacy and cybersecurity are main issues due to the collection of big data. Privacy issues have increasingly raised managers, but also academia's attention, having multiple dimensions, including information collection, lack of control over personal data, and potential slavery to technical devices, unauthorized information use, and improper information access by third parties. Privacy issues, technology security, trust, or comfort in interacting with AI technologies are crucial for AI usage. These issues should be addressed through the application of numerous measures for ensuring information confidentiality, data integrity, and availability. There are different ways companies can face these risks. First, the GDPR law in the European Union. But at the company level, firms have to work on data protection and give the consumers the right to erase their data. Companies need to define a code of ethics and be transparent in how they use AI applications. For instance, companies should clarify the way they use consumer data and build algorithms to predict behaviors. The third topic in the ethical cluster about AI is ethical issues of AI at the societal level. At the societal level, issues such as autonomy, well-being, and job replacement arise. In this regard, citizens depend too much on algorithm-generated recommendations, posing potential harms to their own well-being and leading them to play a role in propagating systematic biases that can influence other users. In addition, citizens might have different access to data and AI technologies, thus creating the risks of power asymmetries. In this regard, on the one hand, increasing anxiety related to AI and robotics is cited. On the other hand, in the anxiety and mistrust are counterbalanced by transformative AI, which will improve society thanks to well-being, health, environment optimization benefits. The fourth topic within this cluster is about ethical issues about AI at the company level. Besides investigating AI at the societal level, consumer and product level, research and managers have also started to point out the need to address AI and technology ethical issues at the company level. Employees and AI should collaborate to build different levels of socio-technical capital. Effective socialization and integration of AI will allow organizations to rise with the machines rather than against them by adopting, adapting, and assimilating the technology, making sure that ethical and legal boundaries are not crossed. In this regard, automation duality should be considered when deciding which tasks should be delegated to AI and which tasks employees should do by them. Consistently, AI will be more effective if it augments rather than it replaces human managers. And this is what we have already seen about the different levels of AI: mechanical, analytical, empathetic, and emotional intelligence of AI.